Now creating a scoring system is going to be one of the most difficult things that we do. So the first thing we need to do is we need to add an integer. So we're going to add an integer. It's going to come down here, and we're going to name this game score. Now what we need to do is we need to add some more programming to our ball. So we're going to add a total of 3 rules. Okay, so I'm going to hit rule, but I'm going to start off with 1. I'm going to say when I collide with my 10-point bucket, I'm going to change an attribute. I'm going to go into set, and this is where I'm going to find my game score integer. So I'm going to go to attributes, game, and if I scroll all the way at the bottom, it should be game score. So I'm going to do game score, and over here, I'm going to do the same thing, attributes, game score, and up here, I'm going to do plus 10. So what happens is that when the ball hits the 10-point bucket, it's going to change my game score up by 10 points. Okay, so I'm going to now go and add 2 more rules. So I'm going to add 1 more rule. And this one's going to be when I collide with my 20-point bucket, what I wanted to do is change attribute. I'm going to go to attributes, game score, attributes, game score, and I'm going to do plus 20. And now I'm going to do 1 more rule. This is going to be the same thing. So when I collide with my 30-point bucket, I'm going to change my attribute, attributes, game score, plus 30. Okay? Now, sometimes these rules can get a lot. What you can do is you can rename a rule up here. So I can make this 30 points. And then I can collapse this rule by clicking this little arrow. That way I know what my rules are going to. And I don't have to keep looking back to see where things are. This will save you some time and help you organize things. I suggest you do this. Okay, so you can see I have all my rules there. Alright? The next thing we have to do is we have to display our game score. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to our Actors tab. We are going to find our scoreboard, and we are going to type in display text. What we're going to do is click this little drop down arrow, and this is where we're going to actually delete out Hello World. We're going to do attributes, game, and we're going to go and display our game score. Now, you have to figure out where you can see your game score. So I'm going to position my game score to be in the center, so it's 0, 0 of the actor. Okay, and I'm going to do some trial and error to see if this works. Okay, oh, I was pointing my timer, my score is over here. So 0, 0 is probably going to be here, so I'm going to actually have to move this over the horizontal position, but I'm going to try it out to see if it works. Okay, so I'm going to go press play. Start, and we're going to see if I can get some points to go. So there you can see my points are added up, 90, 100, 120, 130, okay? So you can see that that works. So it's overlapping, so I need to change its position. So I'm going to come back, I'm going to click on my scoreboard, and I'm going to change its horizontal position, and I'm going to try 50 pixels, okay? I'm going to go try it out. And look, my zero's over here. This is pretty good. I'm going to leave it at 50. Some of you may have to change yours according to the size that you have it. Okay, your score should add up. Next video, we're going to learn how to add a timer.